We have a nice problem to solve here. An exponential condition is given. Based on this condition, we need to find a value of an expression. We have a to the power m times a to the power n equals a to the power m whole to the power n. From here we get a to the power m plus n equals a to the power m times n. Since in multiplications powers are added, and if we have a whole power, the powers are multiplied to each other. Now here the bases are equal, which is a, so we can write m plus n equals m times n, or we can write m times n equals m plus n. We can give this as equation number 1. Now our given expression is m times n minus 2 plus n times m minus 2. So we have m times n minus 2 plus n times m minus 2 plus n times m minus 2. So we can write this as equals m times n minus 2m plus m times n minus 2n. But from equation 1 we know that mn equals m plus n. So we can put the value of mn here, and we can write mn is m plus n minus 2m. Again mn means m plus n minus 2n. From here we get this m, and this m means 2m plus this n, and another n means 2n minus 2m minus 2n. So we get plus 2m minus 2m, we can cancel it, and plus 2n minus 2n, we can cancel it. So the value is 0. So based on the given condition, which is a to the power m times a to the power n equals a to the power m whole power n, we have the value of m times n minus 2 plus n times m minus 2 as 0. So this is our required value for the given expression. This is the end of this simple exponential problem. Thanks for watching the video.